are working in different networks. We have all the 4 divisions in primary, in rolling, extrusion and recycling. And of course within each of these networks there are best practice sharing relating to innovation, relating to processes, relating to how we are actually dealing with particular issues.
Because it's a chance to meet people that work in the same sector, so you can face the same problems.
We have much easier access to European institution when some regulation is changed.
Excellent place for networking. Different kind of extruders can meet here, big players, small players, and you get the right contacts.
The main benefit of European Aluminium is a discussion platform. So it's a meeting point twice a year.
We have joined European Aluminium for several reasons. We think it's important to have exchange within the market participants.
Profilgruppen are joining European Aluminium in order to get the latest feedback from the market.
The reason for us to join European Aluminium is very simple. I mean, it's a good platform for us to really meet with other partners and collaborations in the industry.
We think we have a lot to offer our industry colleagues.
Advantages to be directly informed about the new regulation.
To have a very strong voice in the aluminium industry towards decision makers.
It's a chance that we can put together our knowledge.
The more people get involved, the more accurate the data will be.
And we will be much stronger and much better able to communicate that on a broad basis in Europe if we stand together.
Being a member means that we're on the inside and we can discuss with our industry partners how best to influence the regulators to ensure that we end up with a sustainable industry.
The more input, the better the result.
The more we are, the more we will be able to stay together, to compare experience.
The more forceful we can also be in speaking with one voice on behalf of the industry in Europe.